A significant portion of North Georgia under a tornado watch right now. Meteorologist Jonathan Stacey tells us there's a tornado on the ground in North Georgia.
In Walker County specifically, we're seeing these storms rolling out of Alabama and Tennessee tonight. And on days like this, it's easy to get ahead of ourselves and start thinking about what's the threat for tomorrow night. We're going to have to take this one step at a time. Before it's all said and done, everybody's going to get something that they probably don't want. So let's go ahead and get you straight to Fox 5 Live Viper Radar so you can see exactly where the action is going on right now. And it's all northwest Georgia at this point, between I-59 in Alabama and I-75 here, once again in the northwestern quadrant of the state. We're watching this cell that is really kind of sat over southern portions of Dade County and Walker County. The National Weather Service confirms that a tornado was on the ground at some point, and they will continue the warning until 10:30, so that hangs on for at least 3 more minutes. For those in the Lafayette area, we'll continue to watch it. Lafayette or Lafayette, depends on how you want to say it there. Nonetheless, we'll watch that storm. The track that I have on it says it's about 17 minutes away, but this storm is really creeping and crawling along. It's not moving at some 24 miles an hour, maybe even half that speed. Not only is it likely producing rotation, or has the history of producing rotation, is a pretty significant hail maker. Look at this hail swath that we're clocking up I-59, that slither that goes into Dade County. This is a very mountainous area, so with those cloud tops being low and the mountain ridges being high, spin up is very likely. And to make matters worse, it's dark, and most of these cells have been rain wrapped, and that's what we've been seeing across the Tennessee and Ohio River valleys through the afternoon into the evening. And unfortunately, that will be the issue for us, for many of us, through the overnight hours. My focus is really on all counties shaded in red here, as far south as Pickens and Gordon County, going out to Habersham County, not quite, but White County and Dawson County included in that. As you make your way into the metro area, the threat for tornadoes does not exist at this point, but I am watching to see if the National Weather Service will likely advance that threat further to the south. When we look at the fuel needed to fire off some rotation, it really stays hugged around the northwestern portion of the state, I-75, I-59 once again. Let's take you through the next few hours. We're looking for purples and reds here, and you can see maybe for the northern fringes of Gordon County and maybe even Floyd County getting in that, but it just kind of fizzles out as we get into the wee hours of tomorrow morning going into the commute. However, there is a threat that lies out to the west as we get deeper into the day on Thursday. So yes, tornadoes of concern, but I don't want you to rule out that threat for damaging wind. We're going to see these big time storms come through that are going to have this bowing effect, and those produce straight line winds. We could get wind gusts above 60 miles an hour. And yes, large hail will be part of this. We've already seen quarter-size hail dropped in Dade County. The timing is key here. It's now 1 o'clock on your Thursday morning. Most of us to the south of the metro area not dealing with a problem, but thunder and lightning continue to go off along the I-75 corridor, rolling to the northeastern section of the state by 3 o'clock, going into Rabun County, Towns, Union County included in that. The temperature is not really the big story. Elevated temperatures really just the fuel that's needed to crack these storms off. You can see here by 6 o'clock, most of the storms still confined to areas to the north of I-20, but as we get into the heart of the commute tomorrow, look at this line of storms that come sweeping across the area, down I-75, I-85 in the wake, and I-20. Then as we get deeper into the morning, you can see here this line remains unrelentless, producing heavy rain, thunder and lightning, and yes, once again, I repeat, some strong winds. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. It looks like you're finally able to breathe a sigh of relief to the north of town. On the south side, not so much. We'll eventually push this activity out of here by noon, and we'll sneak in about 6 hours before our next system comes in. So tonight's bottom line, stay aware, charge your devices, charge them now, because the power could go out overnight, especially across far north Georgia. Loose objects, secure them. If you can, bring your car inside, cover it up. The hail threat is significant, and also prepare for a very stormy commute no matter where you are. Let's take a look at the Fox 5 Storm Team 7-day forecast. We'll have to deal with storms tomorrow night into Friday, but it looks like Mother's Day weekend is calm, dry, and even cooler.
Sounds good. We'll check back with you.